Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video before you. Today let me introduce you this vacuum. Saugheber. This is an electric battery operated device which you can lift nice blocks, for example, up to 300 kilograms. This is an automatic pressure regulation professional panel lifter for Porcelain, for Terrace, for Slabs and glass. This electric vacuum lifter with a 300 kilogram of load capacity was specially designed for rough texture materials such as pastel slabs, paving stones, natural stones, or porcelain stoneware, where conventional suction cups failed. And an extra strong seal and an automatic suction power adjustment ensures that uneven or matte surfaces can be lifted safely, without pumping and without an effort. Adhesive, even to rough materials, because the special suction cup here with a robust foam seal adapts to uneven structures for a secure grip on concrete, for natural stone and ceramic and more. And here, 300 kilogram load capacity for heavy building materials. It lifts even XXL tiles, pastel slabs, or workpieces made of glass and metal. The battery vacuum with auto refill function maintains constant vacuums, even with temperature change or the altitude. No manual pumping is needed, and it's compact and mobile because the device fits into any tool bag with a dimension of 26 to 16 to 10 centimeter. This is either for on the go or for changing the construction sites. And gentle on the sensitive surfaces, because the soft seal protects it against the scratches, dents, or shipping on the tiles, glass, or wood. And this product does not include a charging adapter. The vacuum lifter comes with a USB-C cable, but you can use your smartphone charger for this. Most common mobile phone chargers are compatible with that vacuum lifter. The battery is 7.7 volt lithium-ion battery with a runtime of 60 minutes. Yeah, if needed, of course, they offer a battery replacement service to ensure the device is always ready for use anymore. And they also makes a good job. Pastel slabs with textured surface, natural stone slabs and concrete paving, porcelain stoneware and ceramic with relief, kitchen backsplashes, window slabs and large vermin tiles, landscaping and gardening, gladding work and construction sites. These are typical areas of the application. For example, pastel stone, vertical load 300 kilo, parallel load 200 kilo, natural stone and ceramic, vertical load 300 kilo, parallel load 200 kilo, glass, vertical load 300 kilo, parallel load 200 kilo, wood 100 kilo, vertical load, and 65 kilogram parallel load. The suction cup diameter is 110 millimeter, and the device size is 26 to 16 to 10 centimeter. The battery is a 7.4 volt lithium-ion battery with a 60 minutes of runtime. And of course, the vacuum lifter offers a secure grip on rough, irregular surfaces and makes lifting heavy materials like stone, tiles, or concrete easier. It saves time, effort, and risk. This all brings us this device. The nice device, I think. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. To lift a lot of stone, maybe. That's possible because of this lifter. Yeah. Let's have a sound check. Dun-dun.